Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be still focusing on my bills binder. Now in the comments, a couple of you guys, well more than a couple of you guys did say, hey Tina, why don't you just use prop money? And I was like, I still have some that I got from Amazon a while ago. So I did end up pulling that out because the cashless budgeting is, it's hard. Because I have to have something in my hand or something in my budget book or budget binder so I can look and see what I have. So I am actually, this is a disclaimer, y'all. This is not going to be real money. This is going to be prop money, and I'm only going to use that for my bills binder because I do like using cash. So like my savings challenges, I'm going to make sure I put cash unless I hit like $1,000, and then I put that in the bank, or 500, and then I use that for that. So that's the only other thing that I use prop money for. So, but for my bills binder, like I told you guys, in between underwriting, and like I said, you cannot be swapping, moving, depositing all kind of extra money, cash, like from your savings challenge, because they're going to ask you, where did you get that money from? And just saying that I'm a cash budgeter and I've just been saving it over the months, the years, is probably not going to work, and it's probably going to get you in trouble or dinged. Okay. All right, so, and then I'm going to add to my Prime envelope for my Prime membership. All right, so let's go ahead, and I can put this here because that's going to be for my money for that. Okay, so I kind of pretty much have everything written down of what I need to do. So it's basically the same thing that I do with cash, but it's just prop money, and I do put stickers on my prop money to make sure I don't mix it up with my real money, y'all. So that's why I have stickers on there, because I know I always get, when I post on my Instagram, my YouTube, not my YouTube, and my TikTok, everybody's like, why is she putting stickers on the money? Is that legal? I'm like, y'all, this says copy, and it's not real money. All right, so we're going to go ahead and count this fun money, or funny money, as I can say. So we have 100, 200, 300, 450, 550, 620, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 700, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, so that's how much we are actually supposed to have, $718. And y'all, I sure did write this on my breakdown sheet, just like some real money, so that I can make sure that I have the correct amount. This one is a little bit bigger because someone did make this for me, so it's going to be kind of lopsided in my little till because it is laminated, so it's a little bit bigger than money, but I do like it, so I'm just going to stick it like that. And I just put some fun stickers on this because this money is pretty much the same size as regular money. Let me do the 50s here. I'm going to do that. And then we'll do the 2s and the 1s together. We'll do it like that. All right, so we've already went through and we did do our budget here, which we did the other day. But I want to go back and I want to add money to my binder so I can have just a visual thing in my book. All right, so for WODA, we're going to do $50. We're going to do one $50 bill. So we're going to put that in there. I like the stickers anyway on there, so it looks pretty cool. All right, so electric, we're going to do $125. So we're going to do 100. I'm just going to go ahead and take this. Isn't that the cutest thing? I can't remember who gave this to me. I cannot remember. Someone sent this to me. I am so sorry. If you remember, if you sent this to me, put it in the comments because it's been a while since I've had this. So we got 20 and we got 5. So we got $5 bill. All right, so we got 1, 20, 25. All right, next we're going to do, it's supposed to be $23.50, but we're actually doing $24. I just try to make it as easy as I can. So we're going to do 120, a $2 bill, and 2 1s. So we should have 20, 22, 23, 24. So this way, when I go to do my payment at the end of the month, this will help me kind of like pull it all out and see exactly, because I'll have different amounts because I'm rounding up. So this way I can keep track of exactly how much I have to put towards what I need to do. All right, so we have insurance. So insurance is $85.50, but we're doing $86. So we're gonna do $150, $120, $110, $15, and $11. All right, so we got 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86. All right, so that is good. All right, so next we have credit cards. Credit cards is my Wells Fargo card and my Discover card. I just kind of put that together, lump sum it. So that was $102.50, so we're gonna do $103. So we're gonna do a $100 bill, and we're gonna do 3 ones. Ooh, y'all can't keep it in my hand. So we got 100, 1, 2, 3. So we got 103. All right, so next we have mortgage. So mortgage is $250. So we're going to do 2 100s and a $50 bill, and this will go up once we find our house. So we got 100, 250. So when that happens, I am definitely going to have to revamp my whole budget and figure what different things we're going to have to do, because things will be a lot different. Depends on what area you're in. You might have to pay different things, or some things might go away, so you just have to figure it out. All right, so next we have internet, which is $68.50. I just rounded it up to $70. So we're going to do 150, and we're going to do 210. So we got 50, 60, 70. So we have that. And then we got Netflix, which is $8, but I did $10. So we have 10. So like I said, that way, instead of just doing, this one is automatic, so I can't do over for that. But like for internet, how that's $68.50, I rounded it up so I can actually do what's exactly in my envelope. So it'd be a little bit extra being paid towards the bill. All right, so that is all for that. That was super easy, but this gives me a better look at what I have in my envelopes and everything like that. So I'm gonna grab my calculator real quick. All right, so we have 50, 125, 23, 50, 83, 50, 102, 50, 250, 68, 50, and $8. So we got 711. All right, so we have in our envelopes is 50 plus 125 plus 24 plus 86 plus 103, 250, 70, and then we got $10. Okay, so we got 718. And that's what we're supposed to have here. So this sheet right here is just in case if I have to do something like this. This is like extra cash breakdown sheets, because I do have the cash breakdowns here. So that's why I have these little bit here. Okay, so that is all for that. For our bills binder. Super quick, super easy, super fast and fun. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. Now we are going to be adding to my Prime membership envelope. And this one is a little bit over and what I'm supposed to have, because sometimes I'll do like $13 to do a little bit over the amount that is supposed to be in the envelope. All right, so we are actually going to be adding $12 today, because each Amazon little A with the clouds is supposed to be $12. So I'm going to see what I have for my extra cash. I think I have $12. Because we got to use it again. Okay. All right, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now this is real cash, y'all. Real cash. Because I like to use real cash in my savings challenges, but for my bills binder, I am going to be using prop money, because like I said, can't be moving my money around. All right, so we have 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. I got $94 in here. Now, when I do get to 100, I'll probably swap it out and just do a $100 bill in my envelope here. That's probably what I will. I got this money in here all crooked, but that's okay. All right. So that is all for our video, guys. Thank you so much for chilling with me. And y'all, let's see. Oh, and then I'm supposed to be doing a live with Chris tonight at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, so don't miss that, y'all. Don't miss it. So we're just going to be chit-chatting, talking it up. So that will be on Chris's Instagram, and that is going to be a live. So make sure you are there. All right, so if you have not hopped over to my Instagram, it's called APinkeClothlife, and my TikTok is called APinkeClothlife. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.